Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Learn Math with Sir Mark, and in this video, I'm going to discuss a random math problem in trigonometry. But before anything else, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel and click the bell button for you to be notified on the next video. So, let's begin! Okay, here's the problem. Without using a calculator, what is the exact value of cosine 36 degrees minus cosine 72 degrees? Okay, now at first glance, so you will notice that 36 is half of 72, right? Or 72 is double of 36, right? So meaning to say, let's recall the double angle identity for cosine. Okay, so we know cosine squared, cosine 2x, okay, is equal to 2 cosine squared x minus 1. Okay, again, this is double angle for cosine. Okay, now, note that yung cosine 72, okay, yung cosine 72 is the same as sine 18. Agree? For the reason that 72, cosine 72 and sine 18 are cofunction, right? Because 72 and 18 are complementary angles. See that? So, meaning to say, okay, so, observe that yung 18 is half of 36, right? Or 36 is twice or double of 18. Therefore, we know the double angle for cosine, there are another identity aside from this one. We can also say that cosine 2x, okay, is equal to 1 minus 2 sine squared x. See that? Okay. So, now, so we were going to let this, okay, itong kailangan nating evaluate, okay, we're going to let, let's say, t, okay, cosine 36 minus cosine 72. See that? Also, I'm going to let another variable, cosine 36. Okay. And then, third variable for cosine 72. But as I said, yung cosine 72, guys, is the same as sine 18. See that? Okay, now, so, if x is 36, alright, if x is 36, this one will become cosine 2 times 36 or cosine 72, right? And we know, ang cosine 72, that's equal to 2 cosine squared, ano ba yung x natin? 36. That's equal to minus 1. See that? Okay, similarly, okay, doing the same. So, if my x here is 18, okay, if my x is 18, so that I can use this, if x is 18, so 18 times 2 is 36, so that will be cosine 36, okay, is equal to 1 minus 2 sine squared 18. See that? Okay, now, let's use, okay, yung substitution. Alright, note that ang cosine 36, we let it as r. See that? Cosine 72 is r. So, therefore, I can rewrite this first equation as r equals 2, ano ba yung cosine 36? That's q, right? So, that's 2, okay, 2q squared minus 1. See that? Okay. Next, yung cosine 36, take note, that's q, right? So, that is q is equal to 1 minus sine 18, that's r also, right? So, that is r squared. See that? Now, note that what we are after is cosine 36 minus cosine 72. So, look, if I'm going to add the equations, the two equations, okay, I'm going to have r plus q, okay, add ko yan, r plus q, equals, so maka-cancel tong 1 na to, right? If you're going to add positive 1, negative 1. See that? Okay. So, what will be left here is that, okay, 2q squared minus 2r squared. Okay, so factor out ko na yung 2 agad. See that? Okay, now, so here, notice this is difference of two squares. Okay, so that will be r plus q is equal to 2 times, okay, q minus r, okay, times q plus r. See that? So, therefore, obviously, maka-cancel natin yung r plus q. Alright? So, what will be left here is that 1 over 2 is equal to q minus r. But take note, ano ba yung q? That's cosine 36. Ano ba yung r? That's cosine 72. So, therefore, this is the same as p, which is cosine 36 minus cosine 72. There you go. Again, so the answer on this problem, what's the exact value of cosine 36 minus cosine 72? That's 1/2. See that? Okay, so I hope you learned something on this episode. So don't forget to subscribe on my channel. So if you enjoyed this video, feel free to share. Stay safe.